Hi children, welcome back. In module 1 we discuss about the products, how they are producing. Nowadays, n number of products we are using mission made goods. Earlier they are made in the home, but nowadays the all goods 90% goods are what we are using the products they are made in the industries. So based on the raw material, the industries are divided. Already we discussed in the module 1. Once we'll see what agro based industries based on the raw material. First one is the agro base. So here what the raw material required for the industry, they will take from the agriculture. Example, cotton textile industries, vegetable oil, dairy products, leather industries. Next one, second one, mineral based industries. So the raw material they will take from the minerals. Iron and steel industry, cement industry, aluminium, machine tools, petrochemicals. Next one, forest based industries. The raw material they will take from the forest. Example, you are writing note, no notebook, paper you are using, textbook you are using, no this paper industry. This all came from the paper industry. So they will take the wood. It made from the pulp. This pulp came from the wood. Next, in our house, furniture is there, no, and buildings also made with doors, windows. This all raw material depend on the forest. Next, marine based industries means the raw material they will take from the ocean. Now we'll see. See here, agro industries, ginger oil, coconut oil production. Next, see here, basket weaving. So this raw material they are taking from the plants, agriculture. Next one, some examples they gave, agro based industries. Next, this is the mineral based industries. Example, iron and steel. These pipes are there, no. Next, forest based industry. See here, this is the example for the paper mill. This wood, from this wood they are making the wood pulp. From the wood pulp they are making the paper. Now see here, railway track is there, no, and down the railway track you can see these are called the sleepers to support the track. This track supported by the sleepers. This is sleepers made from the wood. This wood we are getting from the forest. This is forest based industries. Next, marine based, from the ocean water. So here fish, we are getting fish from the ocean, no. From the fish they are making the fish oil. Next one, seafood, we are getting from the oceans. This is called the raw material from the marine based industries. Now today we'll see the module 2. In this module we'll discuss about the industries based on the size, based on the ownership. Already this one in module 1 we completed based on raw material. Now on the basis of the size they are divided into two types, large scale industries, small scale industries. So here large scale and small scale based on the investment, how much capital they are investing in the industry and the number of employees. Suppose you take the small scale industry, here the workers are less and the investment also, capital investment also less, and the production also less. In the large scale everything is more capital investment, more employees they will do, and more production they will get. Now see difference, you see small scale and large scale. So here they require the capital nearly 1 crore. To start any business, any industry, they require the money to buy the machines. They have to pay the rent of the building and salaries to the employees. This all they require the money. They have to buy the raw material. And a large scale, more than 1 crore. Here less than 1 crore, here more than 1 crore. Next, here production is low. Production is more, large scale. Here the who are working workers, they may be skilled or non-skilled. They can do the work. But here highly skilled labor is required. They have more skill. They require to operate in the machines. So here non-uniform products. So the means the production cost is more, high cost productivity. The products cost is more. Here cheap with uniform products. The product cost is less. Why it is less here? Because they are producing more goods, that's why the cost is less. Here producing less goods, the cost is more. Here see, so the labor small in number. Here employees large in number. They gave the example toy making. This come under the small scale industry. Toy making, pickle, sweets. Here large scale industry example is cotton textile, iron and steel industry, petrochemical industries. These all come under the large scale industries. Now this is what these are doing. This is the example for the small scale industry. They are doing the toy making in the house in small area with a small number of people. No, less number of people. Next, this also pottery making. So here different items he is making. Next one, this also small scale industry. Rope making. This they are preparing the rope with the waste cloth. So these ropes they used in some villages in the agriculture. They will use the ropes. Jewelry making. This also come under the small scale industry. Jewelry making also. This is the large scale industry example. Textile industry. One example in the textile industry. See in the textile industry how they are making the cloth. So spinning. They have to take the thread from the cotton. From the cotton they will take the thread. Next one, that thread they are weaving. Weaving means cloth. They are preparing the cloth. Next one, they have to dye it. This is white in color, no? They have to dye the cloth. Dyeing, printing. So any designs on the cloth, that process. Next one, they make up the dress. Next one, they are selling to the shop. See here, this is the cotton textile industry. Large scale industry. How the cloth is preparing by using the machines. Huge machines are there. See here. So grow from the cotton ball. This is the from the cotton ball of the shirt made. So here different processes are there. So the cotton ball, they have to remove this part, cleaning, ginning. They have to separate the seeds. That is called ginning. Next one, spinning means this cotton ball from the cotton. They, after separating the seeds, they have to make the thread. You know the thread, no idea? Next one, that one they will make the weaving, treatment and finishing, weaving, and they will dye the colors. Next one, that cloth printed. Next one, sewing and stitching, garment production. Next one, they will send to the markets. Till now we discuss about the based on the size. Small scale industries, large scale industries. Now we will see based on the ownership. The industry is based on the ownership. So based on the ownership, they are divided into private sector, public sector, joint sector, cooperative. Here cooperative is not there. Next slide we can see private sector, public, joint and cooperative. Now see the differences. Ownership in the private, individual, non-government and any individuals. Example, you know familiar Jio. Jio, now in mobile you can know that name, no? Jio, that will come under the private sector. Means individual person doing the business, producing the goods. Public sector. So here the government has the ownership. It may be central government, or it may be state government, or it may be local government authority. Next one, joint sector. So here combination of government plus individual, that is called the joint sector. Next one here, management. So here objective, their main objective is in private sector for the profit purpose. They will produce the goods for to earn the profit, but in the public government they won't see the profit. They want to see the welfare of the people, social obligation. Next one here, profit and the social obligation. Some profit they required plus they will see the society welfare also. So here management, generally private person is the owner. Here government nominees. Government will appoint the board of directors. Mainly board of directors represents from both, from the government side, from the individual. So here competency, productivity, the production of goods generally high. The more they will produce to get the profit. Here moderate, it is not low production, it is not too much high like a private. Moderate. Here also in joint sector also moderate. So here accountability and liability. So they are not the responsible to the public. They no owner is liable, means in his for his own only he can liable. He need not to say, he need not to answerable to any person. Here government, here both government plus private. So here a recent position, how is, so in present, now in present under the government we have defense. Army defense is there, no, they are in the central government control. Next one nuclear power projects. Next one power, we are using electricity, no, this also under the government, central government. Railways, this all under the government. Here liberal permission in many sectors. In private we can see many sectors are there. Next one in joint sector, airlines are there, some banks are there, cooperative banks, insurance companies. So in this government is there plus individual is there. Now see here public sector, means here it may be owned by the central government, or it may be the state government, or it may be the local government, village level also. Now see, this is the cooperative sector. So here cooperative industries owned or operated by producers who will produce that raw material. Here they are showing Amul. Amul and Sudha, both are the milk products only. So here the producers are the farmers who are rearing the cattle. Cattle rearers are the owners. So who are producing, or who are the suppliers of the raw material. Here raw material is milk. So this who are supplying the raw material like milk are workers. They started this cooperative societies. Example Amul. A means Anand, M means Milk Union Limited. Amul full form is Anand Milk Union Limited and Sudha Dairy. Both are success stories of a cooperative. So many cooperative. Sugarcane industry also cooperative is there. Some banks also in the villages, they are the cooperative banks are there. Some cooperative societies in textile industry, Cheneta, APCO. These all the cooperative societies only. So here the raw material producer who are producing the raw material, otherwise who are the supplier are workers. Suppose APCO is there, APCO textile. In that workers form the organization. Workers form the organization, that is APCO cooperative. The workers they are producing the goods. Here no middleman. This is called the cooperative sector. So based on the ownership, till now we discuss about the public, private, joint sector, cooperative sector. In this module we discuss two major one. One is the based on the size. So based on the size, small scale, large scale. Small scale means less number of people, production is less. In a large scale, more number of employees, investment is more, and more production they are doing. Next topic we discussed about the based on the ownership. Public means the industries run by the, it may be central government, it may be state government, it may be local government. In the private, it is a individual person. In giant sector, the ownership is government plus private. Next, cooperative, who are producing the raw material, are workers, they are forming one union and they are producing the goods in the joint cooperative sector. So here they gave the example. First one is the public sector, BHEL, Bharat Heavy Electronic Limited. It is under the government. Next one, Steel Authority, Steel Authority India Limited. Private sector, Tata Steel, Bajaj Auto Limited, Jio, this all private sector. Next, giant sector, Oil India Limited, Maruti, Suzuki is there, no? Car, that also come under the giant sector. Next, cooperative, already we discussed it there, Amul, Sudha Dairy. Sugar industries also in Maharashtra, the producers who are producing the sugarcane farmers, they form one cooperative that is called the sugar industry. So today task of the day is, we discuss about the Amul, no? You collect the information on Amul industries, the story of the Amul, how they struggle, the milk producers. This is in the Gujarat state, started in the Gujarat state. So the Gujarat state, the milk cattle rearers, they are facing the problems with the middleman. After few struggles, they started this Amul cooperative sector. So you collect the information about the Amul. Thank you, children.